In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the TradingView volume profile more precise. By the end, you'll have a detailed, consistent volume profile with clear key levels, so you can read volume distribution confidently and avoid misleading signals. First, open your chart with the volume profile visible, then click the indicator's settings icon to open its settings panel. In the settings, find Rows Layout. Change it to Number of Rows and set the value to 1000. This pushes the profile to maximum detail by adding many thin price rows. If your chart feels a bit heavier after this, that's normal. Higher precision requires more data per row. Next, decrease ticks per row. In the row size section, locate tick per row and set it to a smaller number, for example 2. This increases the sensitivity of the volume profile and allowing it to register volume shifts over very small price increments. You should see the histogram become more finely segmented along the price axis as you apply this change. Now set the row size manually. If you see an auto option for row size, turn it off. Keeping auto enabled makes the profile adapt to volatility, which changes your granularity from session to session and can hide important detail. With auto disabled, your tick per row and row segmentation remain stable, so your analysis is consistent across charts and timeframes. Leave the manual values you just set in place. From here, use the correct data type. In the settings, locate the volume or data type option and set it to total. Total combines all traded volume at each price level into one distribution. Separate buy and sell splits can look informative, but they often introduce ambiguity when you're only trying to identify where the majority of trading occurred. Switching to total ensures you're reading the overall participation profile without second-guessing how the platform inferred trade direction. Once that's done, visualize the key levels that matter most. In the display or style options, enable value area high, value area low, and point of control. When these are on, you'll see the value area band marking the zone that contains roughly 70% of the volume, with VAH at the top and VAL at the bottom. The point of control highlights the single price with the highest traded volume. These levels help you quickly identify where price acceptance occurred and where potential support or resistance may form. If your platform allows, you keep their labels visible so you can read them at a glance as you scroll or zoom. At this point, review the chart to confirm everything is applied. The histogram should look dense and smooth with many rows, reflecting the 1000 row layout. The bars should be more reactive to small price changes, confirming the reduced tick per row setting. The profile should not change shape merely because the market's volatility shifted, indicating auto row size is off and manual control is active. Finally, you should clearly see VAH, VAL and the POC displayed, framing the 70% value area and the dominant price level. If you made changes inside a pop-up, click Apply or OK to save them and return to the chart. As you navigate the chart, the volume profile should now provide consistent, granular detail and clearly marked key levels, making it easier to assess volume concentration and make informed decisions. Your TradingView volume profile is now set up to be more precise, consistent, and actionable. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.